Finding the perfect background for your video can be daunting. You don't want it too busy or too plain. So what works best? We've worked with hundreds of advisors setting up Idea Kit remote record sessions, and here are 3 secrets to getting your shot right. Number 1, you need some space. Ideally, you'll have 3 to 4 feet between you and the wall in the background, and 3 to 4 feet between you and the camera. And you need some room for your light, too. You can go simple with one wall flat behind you, add some depth by filming on an angle, or even showcase your whole space. And what about privacy? This is important if you aren't super comfortable on camera, at least not yet. Is it private enough so you can feel secure while recording your video? The last thing you need is your coworkers egging you on. Number 2, style your background. It's worth taking the time to think about what your space says. Does it say cool hipster brick or upscale glass and steel? Or does it say, I'm working from the basement? You don't need a set decorator, but try pulling in some artwork, flowers, or other elements to make your video feel warm and personal. If you can tie in a harmonious color scheme, like Karen's white and gold background, all the better. Now, Karen doesn't have a section of her office that looks like this. She grabbed things from around her office to create a stylized look. You can do the same. Make it feel like you, the best version of you. Number 3, how does your space sound? No matter how pretty your space is, if the audio is bad, it's not going to work. You might have a lovely reception area, but with telephones ringing and people walking in and out, it's not always the ideal space. When you are choosing your space, talk out loud. Is it echoey? Do you hear the highway outside? The mic is going to pick all of that sound up as well. We designed your Idea Kit practice session to help you find the perfect place to record your video. That's because Idea Kit is all about making video marketing easy.